here. Welcome into my sacred kitchen. Today we're going to make a very simple dish called Kinpira in Japanese. It's a classic vegetarian dish that's enjoyed in temples and in homes in Japan, and it's really easy. The first ingredient is burdock root. Now burdock is great for being a blood cleanser, it's good for your liver, and it also has inulin, a fiber that feeds your gut microbiome so that you can produce your own vitamin B's, and it's really great for digestion. The other major ingredient, carrots. We're just going to slice these and then saute them with some sesame oil, mirin, and soy sauce. We are going to start with the carrot. I'm going to show you how to cut it into Asian julienne or Asian matchsticks, and it's really easy and fun. So here's our carrot, and I'm just going to cut off this little end, compost. And if your carrot is organic, you don't even have to peel it, so I'm not going to peel my carrot. Now we're going to cut at a bias or at an angle, sort of like a 45-degree angle across the carrot. So I'm just going to take that little tip. And then now we want to cut long, even slices all the way across the carrot. This is a good practice on your knife skills and also concentration. Okay. Now we're just going to take a few of these slices, like that. Sort of park them against each other, and then we're going to go in and cut again. And now we have these lovely long pieces which sort of look like matchsticks. And we'll just continue until we're done with the whole carrot. Before we cut the burdock, we need to prepare a bowl of water with lemon in it. The reason we do this is because the burdock turns brown very quickly. Okay. So with the burdock root, we do have to peel it first. And again, you want to do it fairly quickly because it turns brown as soon as we start peeling and cutting. Alright, so once you have it peeled, I'm just going to cut off the little nubby end there, and then we're going to do the same, cutting it at a bias into nice, even, thin slices. Now we're going to do the same. We want to stack these slices, and then we're going to cut them into matchstick pieces. And as you're cutting them, drop it into the lemon water to keep it from further browning. So for sauteing, we're going to use untoasted sesame oil, mirin, soy sauce or tamari, and then when it's done, we're going to garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds. Alright, now we are preheating our pan on medium-high heat, and first we're going to add in the untoasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. Okay, and once the oil is in, we are first going to add in our burdock matchsticks. And then we're going to add in the carrots. We're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to tenderize. Make sure you adjust the heat down if it feels that it's getting too hot. Alright, at this point we are going to add in the mirin and the soy sauce. This is smelling really, really delightful. And we're just going to keep on sauteing for another 2 to 3 minutes. If it looks like everything is getting a little bit dry, then you can add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. So I am actually going to add in a little bit of water. There we go. Let this cook for another 30 seconds and we're ready. Right now we're going to serve it in a nice bowl, and this makes a great accompaniment to any meal. And we're just going to garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds.